Namaste boys, let us see exercise 2.9. I think up to exercise 2.8 you all would have copied in your classwork notebook. So let us go for exercise 2.9. So properties of definite integrals. Just we shall see the properties at a glance. Then while doing the problem, we can synchronize that with this what we have written here. So first property is integral a to b f of x dx is equal to integral a to b f of t dt. Similarly, integral a to b f of x dx is equal to minus of integral b to a. We are changing the upper limit and lower limit. So we are using this minus sign here. Minus a to b to a f of x dx. And the third property is if f of x and g of x are continuous functions in closed interval a b, then integral a to b f of x plus or minus gx dx is equal to, we are splitting it and writing integral a to b f of x dx plus or minus integral a to b g of x dx. So then the fourth one, if f of x is a continuous function in closed interval a to b and a is less than c less than b, then this integral a to b f of x dx can be written as integral a to c f of x dx plus integral c to b f of x dx. Then the fifth one, integral 0 to a f of x dx is equal to integral 0 to a f of a minus x dx. Both are same. They are equal. Then sixth one, if f of x is an even function, then integral minus a to a f of x dx is equal to 2 into integral 0 to a f of x dx. And if this f of x is an odd function, then integral minus a to a f of x dx is equal to 0. F of x dx is equal to 0. The value of this integral will become 0. All these we can synchronize while doing the problem. Then last one, if integral a to b f of x dx is equal to integral a to b f of a plus b minus x dx, a plus b minus x dx. So now let us pass on to the exercise 2.9. Integral minus pi by 4 to pi by 4 x power 3 cos cube x dx. இதுதான் problem. So this is in the form of this property. See, integral minus a to a, both the limits are same, but the sign only differs. Minus a to a f of x dx is equal to 2 into integral 0 to a f of x dx. For this, we should prove f of x a to b f of x dx should be equal to minus integral a to b f of x dx. So let f of x is equal to x cube cos cube x. Then what is f of minus x? Put minus x wherever there is x. x இருக்கிற இடத்துலலாம் minus x போட்டுக்கோங்க. அப்போ x இருக்கிற இடத்துல minus x போட்டோம்னா minus x the whole cube போது cube odd நம்பராக இருக்கும்போது minus will remain minus. So minus x cube cos minus theta is cos theta. So cos cube x. So what is this x cube cos cube x? That is f of x, which is equal to minus f of x. Therefore, f of x is equal to minus f of x. Then, what is the power of this function? Cube. That is odd. F of x is an odd function. If f of x is an odd function, then integral minus a to a f of x dx is equal to 0. That is the property. So f of integral minus pi by 4 x cube cos cube x dx is equal to 0 is the answer. Okay. So next one, see here we did for odd function. Now we are going to do for even function. See here, this is sine square theta. If it is even, then we should write it as integral minus a to a f of x dx is equal to 2 into integral 0 to a f of x dx. That's all. So if we do the sum, we can see that. So let f of theta is sine square theta. Then what is f of minus theta? Wherever you have theta, you put minus theta. Sine square minus theta, that is sine square theta, which is equal to f of theta. Therefore, f of minus theta is equal to f of theta. One property is proved. The next one, if here f of theta is even function, therefore integral minus pi by 2 sine square theta d theta is equal to 2 into integral 0 to pi by 2 sine square theta d theta. So here this sine square theta, by using the identity we can write it as 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2 d theta. See, this 2 is a constant, so that we can bring it outside, so it will get cancelled and this will become 1 minus cos 2 theta d theta. 0 to pi by 2, 1 minus cos 2 theta d theta. So now this, let us split it and write. So this we can write as integral 0 to pi by 2 d theta minus integral 0 to pi by 2 cos 2 theta d theta. This term we can split and write as d theta minus integral 0 to pi by 2 cos 2 theta d theta. So if you integrate this, get theta, and if you integrate cos 2 theta, you get sin 2 theta by 2. For this 2 theta by 2, 0 to pi by 2. So upper limit pi by 2 minus sin 2 pi by 2. 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So sin pi by 2 minus, apply the lower limit 0. Here upper limit minus lower limit, already minus is there. So minus into minus will become plus sin 0. So sin pi is 0 and sin 0 is 0. This 2 will get cancelled and pi by 2 minus 0 is pi by 2. So the answer is pi by 2. So same way you can try this problem. Same method, first you apply minus x, then the function is odd function because it is 2 minus x and 2 plus x, it is an odd function. So this becomes 0 is the answer. So anyway, I'll post this for you, but you try the problem on your own. I hope you can understand this problem. So next one, see, next problem, that is problem number 4. Integral 0 to pi by 2. Here we are going to use this property for that. Integral 0 to pi by 2 sine power 7x by sine power 7x plus cos power 7x dx. So let us take this as I is equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 sine 7x by sine 7x plus cos power 7x dx. Here we are going to make use of this property, this one. That is 0 to a f of x dx is equal to integral 0 to a f of a minus x dx. That's it, that we are going to make use. So we know that integral, let us mark this as equation 1. Then we know that integral 0 to a f of x dx is equal to integral 0 to a f of a minus x dx. So integral 0 to pi by 2 sine 7x by sine 7x plus cos 7x dx is equal to, see here this is a, pi by 2 is a, pi by 2 a pi by 2. ஸோ இந்த இடத்துல நம்ம அதை சப்ஸ்டியூட் பண்ண போகிறோம். இன்டெக்ரல் 0 to pi by 2 sin power 7 pi by 2 minus x by sin power 7 pi by 2 minus x plus cos 7 pi by 2 minus x. sin pi by 2 cos pi by 2 மாறிடும். sin 90 minus theta cos 90 minus theta. அப்போ இங்கேயும் sin 90 minus theta cos 90 minus theta. cos 90 minus theta sin theta. So sin power 7x மாறிட்டு. இப்போ we have two different values. So let us add 1 and 2. See, both the LHS is same, so that we can add. If you add 1 and 2, you get 2i is equal to, the first one is sin 7, this one, this is first I, and this is second I. So let us add both together. We get the answer as 1. Cos 7x plus cos 7x by sin 7x plus sin cos 7x. So you get the answer as 1. 1 into dx, that is dx. So which, if you integrate this, you get x, that is pi by 2 minus 0. If you integrate this, the answer is, this is equal to x. If you integrate this, the value you get is x. That is equal to upper limit minus lower limit, pi by 2 minus 0, which is equal to pi by 2. But 2i is equal to pi by 2. 2i is equal to pi by 2. Then therefore I is equal to pi by 4. This is what the answer for this. So I hope you all would have understood this. So next problem, fifth one, the same problem I have done it for you. இதே மாதிரி முன்னாடி பண்ண ப்ராப்ளம் மாதிரியே தான். 0 to 1ன்னு இருக்குது. 0 to 1ன்னு இருக்கும்போது நம்ம என்ன பண்ணணும்னா ஐயை முதல்ல எழுதிட்டுருந்தோம். அப்புறமா 0 to a f of x dx is equal to integral 0 to a f of a minus x dxன்னு இருக்குது. ஸோ இங்கே ஏங்கிறது 1. ஸோ எக்ஸ் இருக்கிற இடத்துலனா நம்ம என்ன பண்ண போகிறோம், 1 மைனஸ் எக்ஸ்ன்னு போட போகிறோம், அவ்வளோதான். ஸோ அதை தான் இங்கே நம்ம போட்டிருக்கோம். எக்ஸ் இருக்கிற இடத்துல 1 மைனஸ் எக்ஸ்ன்னு போட்டு பண்ணிவிட்டு கடைசியில் 2i இஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு 0ன்னு போட்டிருக்கோம். ஸோ சிக்ஸ்த்து ப்ராப்ளமும் இதே மாதிரி சிமிலர் ப்ராப்ளம் தான். நீங்கள் ட்ரை பண்ணிங்கன்னா யூ கெட் த ஆன்சர் ஃபார் தேட். ஸோ வித் திஸ் I think exercise 2.8 is over. 2.9 is over. So tomorrow I'll post 2.10 for you, gamma integrals. It is a very easy chapter. Definitely you'll get a problem out of that 2.10. So tomorrow we shall see that. With this I'll post the photos also for you for your reference. We are going to have exams from October 10th. The timetable will be posted to you shortly. You can do the examination in your house itself. Actually for that we are going to give internal marks for you, and the internal marks is nothing but completion of your classwork up to unit 1 and 2. That going to carry over the internal marks. So kindly you finish the classwork. I think you all would have received your notebooks. So you make use of that notebook, you finish your classwork and get it submitted for us on or before 5th of October. That will be fine, so that we can give the internal marks to you as soon as the exam begins. Okay children, so I hope you all would have understood this, and I have completed 2.7 15 days earlier. So now you had ample time. We gave you ample time for revision, and I have posted some revision papers also for you. But I don't know whether you have worked it out or not. But anyway, I want you, all of you, to submit your classwork on 5th of October. Okay, children, thank you.